Are you ready? Are you ready for the comeback?
Alright, weirdos, here we go. We gotta make a ring for Breckermin.
Hello, my friends. I'm back with another special Oops All Breckermin.
We gotta do it from one of his favorite comic book characters ever out there. Amazing Spider-Man number 22. This is the first appearance of Speedball, a character he loves very much. And Cali Comics.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Sorry.
Asked if I can make a ring using his favorite character. So I said, yeah, I can do that. So what we're going to do is we've made rubies before. Basically all we're going to do is take aluminum oxide, chromium oxide, carbon, which we got to turn this into carbon.
No, God,
it's going to make some people angry. Right? And then what we do is we put it into a microwave and let a plasma discharge make the rubies for us, which is super cool. It's good science stuff, right? But then I'm going to take it to another level. What I got here is, if you look at the price of this comic book, it's $1.75. So what can we do for that? We'll make the actual ring using a technique called Makume-ga. When you take non-magnetic metals and you forge weld them together. So I got $1.75 here, and that's what we're going to make the ring out of. Cut a trail into it, inlay the rubies, and if we get a little bit more room, maybe we'll do something with the various colors of Speedball's powers. He has these kind of color balls that he kind of shoots out everywhere. If we have time, we'll do that. Alright, so unfortunately, we got to destroy this comic book. So let's go ahead and get started with that, make our rubies, and then we'll move on to the ring. Let's go. I'm sorry.
Vibing, yeah. Me and my folks all good, that sun is shining. Chillin' with my feet kicked up like I ain't trying. Yeah. This is what I want on summer, yeah. Gangs all here, let's run it, yeah. Vibes right here, 100, yeah. I've been on game like EA. Sippin' too soon, that pregame. Sign up on 2, that 3-way. I just went fast like we late. I just thank God like he said. How can I not, yeah, we straight. See this tapped in like relay. Yeah, it's on me like prepaid. If you ain't hip, you adios. I just feel lucky that particle. Getting that brain like on a roll. I have my goals and I double those. I just went in, yeah, and I ain't look back. Now I got these wins, yeah, and the vibes on that. I've been vibing with the crew. Ain't no silence, that's the move. If you killin' on the vibe, you gon' meet the front door, goodbye. I've been vibing, yeah. Me and my folks all good, that sun is shining. Ay, chillin' with my feet kicked up like I ain't trying. Yeah, this is what I want on summer, yeah. Gangs all here, let's run it, yeah. Vibes right here, 100, yeah.
Everybody dancing, everybody vibing, everybody moving. There's no silence, bad little thing. She good vibing, make her go drip, drip, drip like an island. I know, I swear it feels like I'm on a wave. We getting turned up, we out of space. Oh, how I love all these summer days. I'm hoping this feeling don't fade away. Cause you know we always be feeling this way. Everyone drinking, we floating away. Got 2 biddies on me, they tryna have fun. If we run out of liquor, there's blowing away. Ooh, hey, what can I say? Only good vibes, I be all in my way. Ooh, hey, what can I say? Don't play for tomorrow, just live for the day. I've been vibing with the crew. Ain't no telling what I do.
Alright, weirdos, so we got the rubies done. And this is probably one of the bigger ones. We actually ended up with quite a few. I think we might almost have too many to stick into the ring. But here's how we know. See how it kind of illuminates under the black light? That's how we know we have a synthetic ruby. Man, those came out good. So many of them too. This is the larger of them. A lot of smaller ones. But that's alright since we're going to put them in a ring. So now what we got to do is we got to take our $1.75. We got to stick it into the forge. Use a technique called Makume-ga. Get it shrunk together. Draw it into some sort of billet. Use the lathe. Cut the ring out. And then size it, shape it. Add a channel into it, and then we can put all of our stuff into it. I still got a couple of ideas of things we can put in there. Depends on how big we can make the channel.
Geeky motherfucker.
Let's get the forge going. Let's heat, beat, and repeat, baby. Here we go.
Every single day I feel the
Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my work in. I can't leave it out of chance, let's make it certain. Yeah, I had to lose it out to find my purpose. Yeah, but I won't do that twice, it made me nervous. Let's get to work in. I'm like check one, check two, gonna get these bands now. Want this, want that, gotta be stand up. Jokes on you, boy, tell me you the man now. Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew, I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. Yeah. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. Okay, I'm him. Ain't nobody on me shooting in the gym. It's always been on me, I always gotta boom. Everybody eat before I got my fill. Ooh, keep it real, ooh, yeah. I got my family and a plan B. If I don't get it, then we don't eat. I feel the pressure when I'm not weak. My demons coming like a stampede. But trust me, man, I got it. I'm never out of pocket. We ain't never playing tag. You doubters are just nodding. Only seeing green, no wonder why I never stop it. And while you turning up, I just go up, I'm like a rocket, yeah. While you turning up, I just go up, I'm like a rocket, yeah. Pressure made diamonds. Every single day I feel the pressure. Double up the work, let's make it extra. Working so my mother get a rest, yeah. Working like I never knew, I'm blessed, yeah. Every single day I feel the pressure. Diamonds in my eyes, I know I'm special. In the gym, I gotta get my reps up. In the gym, I gotta get my
Okay, weirdos, got our rubies. They're done. They're just kind of soaking in some wash right now. We got our ring. We stained it with a satin metal stain to kind of get rid of the copper look to it. We got our little channel in there. All right, and then I went ahead and I kind of filed where it would. Let's give you a better look. Kind of give it a hammered look. So yeah, so what we gotta do now is we gotta embed everything. This is the most monotonous part of the ring making process, but we'll get it done. Let's lay that in, and we gotta lay down a base first. So I still have some ashes from the comic book, so we'll lay that down as a sort of a barrier, and then we'll lay in our rubies on top of that, glue it all into place, and go through it and see if we have any room for glow powder using Speedball's colors. I think that would be kind of cool. I don't know if we're gonna have room, but we're gonna check it out. Here we go.
I'm on ice skate ski, had to put them all on freeze. Had to show them all my speed, get it on, got it in lead. Had to skate past all that, closing that book and that left. I was on ice skate ski, had to put them all on freeze. Every time I close my eyes, I think about you. And I survived, I did my time, and now I found my truth. And that came from broken hearts, broke apart. I still got what it came for. No, it's hard, floating bar. I survived the rainfall. I run what they came for. Now maintain the game, but they treat me like a punching bag, but they ain't leave a damn mark. I've been on point like TP. Mama so proud when you see me. Took around the whole damn country, and they still stuck it on. Had to lose my dream for this one. Better yet, just go pick one. Now just make all these 6 songs, and you just talk about ice skate ski. Had to put them all on freeze. Had to show them all my speed. Get it on, got it in lead. Had to skate past all that, closing that book and left. I was on ice skate ski. Had to put them all on freeze. Every time I close my eyes, I think about you. And I survived, I did my time, and now I found my truth. And that came from broken hearts. Okay, I've been really making my own lane. Feel like I got a 2-step OJ. Never taking off like snow days. I ain't never looked no both ways. Move it all around, can't go straight. You just gotta
skirt ski. Had to put them all on freeze. Had to show them all my speed. Get it on, got it in lead. Had to skate past all that. Closing that book and left. I was on ice skirt ski. Had to put them all on freeze. Every time I close my eyes, I think about.
Alright, that's it. We're done. You want to see? Alright, here we go. See if we can get this to show up on camera. Because my camera skills are awesome. So you see we added the little glow balls to it. Ooh, there's a ruby. You know what? Let me show you a better way to show these rubies. Rubies always light up in a black light. So there's a glowy part. Yeah. So that red right there, that's a ruby. And these are some of the, there's another ruby. And then some of these are what Speedball's colors are in the comic book. So we just made some little round glowy things. That was the thing you saw me doing earlier. So yeah. I think the rubies came out good. So much better. There we go. Yeah. I'm kind of proud of that, I'll be honest with you. So yeah. So and of course, we will go in the dark. Let's cut off some lights. We always got a little speedball action. That is cool. Alright, so again, Cali Comics requested that I make this because he's going to give this to somebody. Somebody very deserving of it, by the way. So I'm super happy. I know I told Cali Comics I was not going to do this as a monthly thing, but this was just too cool not to share with you guys. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do it. So there we go. Alright guys, let's see, we got some more stuff coming up, still making things, and if you got an idea, or you know somebody in our little comic book nerd community that could use something, you got an idea for them, reach out, let me know, DM me, or leave a comment down below. You can find me on Instagram, Pocan_Joe. Don't forget, I have coffee and merch down below. I got coffee bread, coffee. Use my link, try it out, save yourself some cash, and don't forget baby, if you want to look fresh, right? You get yourself some of that merch down there. Alright guys, until we see you again. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.